All right, this is kind of cool. We're at Kevin's shop, and some folks had talked about the fact that when we ran this bike the other day, the primary chain was just bouncing all over the place. I mean, it's so loose. Well, it is. It was. That's because the chain tensioner is built into the outer cover. So we're getting ready to put this on now, which I just was talking to Kevin, and basically Triumph sort of regressed back to the Triumph T100, which also had the chain adjuster in the cover rather than inside the primary like the T120s and TR6s had. So kind of cool. They went back to putting it in the cover. And now we're going to have a little fun trying to line up this shifter gear assembly with this shifter gear assembly down here. And we're in neutral, and we're going to have to find neutral on this and make them match. Interesting. Okay, we're going to do that now. And Kevin's putting the new battery in. We had to go to a smaller battery because the other one was so tall that when you put the side cover on, it was shorting out against the negative hot. And the cables are such that they're made to go on this way. Normally, I would have just turned the battery around, but that would have been making new
cables,
new cables, and that's a step I didn't
including
want
a starter cable.
yeah, I didn't want to get involved with that. We're letting the bike go as is. We're not going to take this clutch assembly apart because the new owner is quite familiar with Tridents and is perfectly happy to take the bike as is. So we're going to bless it and close it up and let them have it. It's kind of cool. So that's where we are, and this is going to be the final goodbye to the Triumph.